Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make our own glowing nameplate. For this experiment, we'll need liquid glue, a paintbrush, a cup, stirring stick, spatula, glow powder and paper. First, we have to put 1 scoop of glow powder in the cup. Now we are going to measure 5 ml liquid glue and then we will put the 5 ml of glue into this glue powder. Now I am going to put the liquid glue into the glue powder. We are going to mix it well with the stirring stick. Now it became a gluey mixture. So now I am going to write my name using the paintbrush. So I'm done with my Advik. Now I'll leave it to dry for 1 hour. I thought of making more glue and make another one with HeyGuys labs on it. So while we wait for it to dry, let me explain the science behind it. So when glue powder comes in contact with light, it absorbs the light and later emits it in the dark. This property is called as phosphorescence. So now it finally dried up and now look how it's glowing. Now we are going to do an experiment involving the same concept. For this experiment, we will need a measuring cup with 25 ml water, a conical flask, crystal powder, glow powder, stirring stick, spatula. Now I am going to pour the water in the conical flask. Now I am going to put 1 scoop of crystal powder into the conical flask. Now we wait for the crystals to form. Now I am going to add 1 scoop of glow powder and going to put water. Next we are going to stir it all together. Let's go check it in a dark room. Our nice lamp is finally glowing. So this is the end of our video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to visit the Hey Guys Vlogs channel. Bye! See you in our next video.